I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your membership on the Sam's Club app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Sam's Club app. Launch the app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Membership Information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Membership Information or similar. This section contains details about your membership status. Step 4. Choose Cancel Membership. Within the Membership Information section, find the option to cancel your membership. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Review Confirmation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation receipt to ensure your membership has been successfully cancelled. It's always a good idea to double check your email for the confirmation, just in case. If you run into any issues, customer support is just a tap away in the app. Good luck, and I hope this helps you out.